The Justice Department asked a Makati court to junk the evidence presented by Senator Antonio Trillanes to prove that he has indeed filed his amnesty application. The DOJ said some pieces of evidence submitted to the Makati Regional Trial Court, Branch 148, were not properly authenticated, including the certificate of amnesty and the photos that were taken when he applied for the amnesty. DOJ also wanted the photographer who took the pictures to appear in court. Branch 148 hears the coup d'etat charges filed against Trillanes. Meanwhile, the RTC Branch 150 holds the rebellion case of Trillanes. And they will conduct a hearing today on the senator's plea to reconsider the arrest warrant that was issued against him. Isko Moreno has resigned as Undersecretary of the Department of Social Welfare and Development. In a handwritten letter sent to the President, Moreno said he wanted to step down from his post because he could not endure the current situation of Manila. He said the city seems to have no local government and that the residents are being abused. Although he did not directly disclose any plan to run for Manila mayor in the 2019 elections, Moreno said it is time for the city to have a young mayor. He will further reveal in a press conference today the other details of his resignation. And following the Senate's approval of the Universal Healthcare or UHC bill, Senate President pro tempore Ralph Recto appeals that the program should not go unfunded. Recto said the tax on vices, including casinos and lotto profits, will be allocated for the implementation of the UHC program. 40% of the charity fund of the PCSO and 50% of the national share from the Philippine Amusement and Gaming Corporation will go to the UHC. Sin tax collections from tobacco and alcohol products are also pledged to the bill. Meanwhile, Senator J.V. Ejercito, who sponsored the bill, said the government can fund the program for the first 2 years, but it may need additional revenues should more Filipinos register under the program.